everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Bitcoin wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open bitcoin.com application. Once you end up in the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right. Now at the top of the screen, tap on sign in and you will end up in the sign in page. To log into your Bitcoin wallet, you can log in using your Apple ID, Google account, or entering your email address. In this video, I'm gonna choose the email option. Type in your valid email address in the text box at the bottom and then tap on the little arrow facing to the right corner. Now you'll need to verify your email. Tap on the Open Mail app option and open up the login request from bitcoin.com. Tap on Login and you will be able to log into your Bitcoin wallet in no time. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.